As we all know, milk is a nutritious and healthy drink. But you know what? Fresh milk is not suitable for drinking directly. Processing raw milk is essential because it contains a lot of bacteria, which can cause symptoms such as diarrhea. A common method is to heat the milk to between 60 and 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, known as pasteurization. Obviously, temperature detection and control play an important role. So how to achieve temperature monitoring in the process of milk processing, and how to choose the appropriate measuring instrument. If you want to realize the temperature monitoring in the process of milk processing, you have to say that our protagonist today, temperature transmitter. It is widely used in the field of food, because in the milk and other food processing, need to go through repeated temperature changes and control, and the temperature transmitter can do real-time monitoring, full participation. It is the first choice of temperature monitoring to accurately measure process temperature, reduce operation error and help you improve product quality. But it is not only suitable for food field. Temperature transmission is widely used in petroleum, chemical, electric power, food and many other industries. It can cooperate with display instrument, computer and other equipment to form various temperature measurement system. Feejoy Temperature Transmitter is not only easy to install, but also has the advantages of high accuracy, no vibration, fast response and so on. Pay attention to Feejoy to provide you with the best public measurement solutions.